Now we have to take into picture the next integral that comes in front of us. It is nothing but dx upon under root x square plus a square, or dx upon under root a square plus x square whole integral, and the formula evaluates as log x plus under root x square plus a square plus c. As you can see, it is similar to the video that we did on integration of under root x square minus a square, and wherein I said that I have to substitute certain things which are beneficial to me. In case of under root, trigonometric substitution goes very well. Now if I put x is equal to a sin theta, does it benefit me? What will happen? It will become a square common 1 plus sin square theta. No formula exists as such. If I substitute x is equal to a tan theta, does it benefit me? A square tan square theta comes, a square comes common, 1 plus tan square theta, secant square theta, definitely it will help me. So I will be using that substitution. I write proof, and I have to do what? I have to put x is equal to a tan theta, differentiating dx is equal to a secant square theta d theta, equation number 1, equation number 2. Next, I have the root and the function. Let me write a square plus x square. Substitution can be done. Dx becomes a secant square theta d theta. In the denominator, under root is there upon a square plus x square means a square tan square theta. From equation number 1 and 2. Next, certain things coming common, a square coming common, out of the root it becomes a, rest is same, d theta is same. 1 plus tan square theta becomes secant square theta, out of the root it becomes only secant theta. In the numerator it is secant square theta although. Now certain things getting cancelled, we are left only with what? We are left with integration of secant theta with respect to theta only, d theta. What is integration of secant theta? It is nothing but log secant theta plus tan theta plus some constant of integration, say c1. Now what is the value of theta specifically I need to find out? I have to find out my value of secant theta and tan theta, which can be found out from here, that is from the equation number 1. Let me move to the second column of the board for it. I have log secant theta. Secant theta is what? I know the formula that secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Because of that formula only, I can write it as secant theta is under root 1 plus tan square theta, that is x square upon a square, right? Then it is plus tan theta, that is plus x upon a, plus x upon a, and that all along with the constant of integration plus c1. Next, log, take the LCM, it becomes under root a square plus x square whole upon a plus x plus c1. Next, see, log m upon n is equal to log m minus log n. I can do that. So it is log under root a square plus x square plus x minus log a plus c1. Now combining both these constants, can we merge it into another constant? Yes, we can. So the answer would be log x plus under root a square plus x square and plus c, where what is my c? It is the new arbitrary constant, that is c1 minus log a. So this is the final solution to the above integral.